Then you see come back to soften, you add it a little bit like this, you see increase it as well. You go to contrast, you increase the contrast. Then the last one is the midpoint, you see increase it, and you can see now. All right, you welcome back to SA Visuals Plus, and here we talk about simplified editing, videography, photography, and the likes. All right, you're welcome, and today I'm going to be showing you how to erase background using Adobe Premiere Pro. Yes, it may seem daunting somehow to you, but it is kind of way much more easy compared to what you may think. So stay with me as we get it done right about now. Let's go. So for the purpose of the tutorial, we're going to be importing a particular video shot using a green screen. So let's go. Let's pick this particular video here and drop it. Okay. So this is a video shot on a green screen, and right now we are going to be erasing the background. And search ultra key, and search ultra. You drag the ultra key and drop it on the clip. Okay, then you still go back to effects control here. You scroll down to the last. Okay, then going back to the effect control, you are supposed to use this speaker to change the key color, and the key color is green, but the default color was actually set to black. Then you now use the picker, click it on the green. Okay, you see now it have actually removed the green. To some extent we are still seeing certain elements that are not supposed to be, because the initial plan was to make it look plain, just like this side that you can see my cursor now. Then the next thing to actually use to correct this is to go back to the effects control, scroll down, then you go to this matte cleanup, click on it like this choke, increase it and see what happens. Okay, we have actually increased it. Then you see come back to soften, you add it a little bit like this, you see increase it as well. You go to contrast, you increase the contrast. Then the last one is the midpoint, you see increase it, and you can see now everything has been successfully erased. Let's check it and see. Can you see any green around? Because there are actually some persons when they erase, there are actually other processes that can make you erase the green actually like this, but it's not actually perfectly done. And if you actually find this video helpful enough, you can actually give it a like button and subscribe, and stay connected for more awesome content like this.